What is an AI-powered digital twin? Explained with a cooling tower demo.
So most people carry a fuzzy or 3D only picture of a twin. The distinction that matters is monitoring versus prediction. A dashboard that turns red at a threshold tells you what is happening now. A twin that has learned the asset's healthy behavior across load and weather sees drift long before a threshold trips. The 4 points are the anatomy: continuously synced, baselines healthy, detects drift early, recommends action. And recommends action is what separates a true twin from a nicer dashboard. To make it concrete, we have built the twin around one asset: cooling towers. So before we go in the cooling tower, we want to explain what is a cooling tower in this demo. It is a heat rejection system that cools warm water and returns it to support efficient operations and support industrial process or HVAC systems by cooling warm water. Two reasons for cooling towers in this demo. One is they are universal, for example, manufacturing, data centers, power generation, healthcare, commercial real estate. And the second is they fail gradually and measurably, which is ideal for prediction. 85% of failures can be caught weeks early. So how does predicting that failure actually come together? We will see these beats in our demo and in end-to-end architecture.